Hey everyone. Are you worried about what your kids are watching on mobile continuously? Don't worry. I will tell you simple tricks. It will help you to make sure they only see cartoon videos in YouTube that are safe for your babies. It's simple, just go to the YouTube app and tap on Minimize. Then tap the three dots in the corner or middle and select the Pin option. This will help them to watch only cartoons video in YouTube. This trick help you to control the child's, apart from they don't open any other apps or any menu options. This will help to watch them only YouTube cartoon videos. See here, I am pressing minimize and back options, but I am not able to come to menu options or any other apps options. If you want to disable this feature later, just tap the minimize and back buttons at the same time. This will unpin the app and allow you to use your phone in its normal mode. This trick helps to your kids can enjoy videos without worry. It's a safe and easy way to keep them entertained. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.